This is Excel Lesson 4, using cell references in formulas, the step-by-step for relative cell references. Remember, a cell reference identifies the cell location in the worksheet. So for example, the cell reference for this cell is cell A1. It involves its column, letter, and row number. The first step in the O4 budget cell references spreadsheet tells us to go to cell B18. That is the cell reference for the cell right here in column B, row 18. We're going to click the formula bar and we're going to replace 1200, the value 1200, with the letter B and the number 3. Notice that cell B3, which we have referenced, now becomes highlighted and surrounded by a blue border. Let's press enter. The formula in cell B18 now uses a relative cell reference to B3. Let's copy that formula, B3 plus 500 minus 100, from cell B18 to cell B21. I'm using Control V to paste. Notice the value changes to 400. Notice the formula changes from B3 to B6. That's because we copied the value or formula 3 cells down. So the cell reference or relative cell reference changed 3 numbers down from 3 to 6. With cell B21 still active, let's select B6 in the formula bar. We're going to change that now to B3, but we're going to do it instead of typing, just by clicking on cell B3. Now it becomes highlighted by the blue dashed border. Once we press enter, we notice the value here changes. So those are our relative cell references. It depends upon where they're located in the spreadsheet or relative to their location in the spreadsheet. Let's save to our class folder, save as. And we're going to name the file Budget Cell References Solution, making sure to put our last name, first name before the file name. We will submit this to our assignment.